The tornado safety brochure. First thing we need to do is create the brochure. So take your paper like this, and we're going to take the right hand side and we're going to fold it over so that you see that box there. And then we'll take the left hand side and cover it so that you end up with this skinny piece of paper that looks like a brochure. Now, what's going to go in this brochure? Well, on this side here, the big empty box, this is where you're going to include a title. You can title it whatever you want, be creative, but it does need to be about tornadoes. Now, on the inside, this is where most of your information is going. And so you can see it says how to be safe. So you've got 5 boxes here, and in each box you're going to write a tip or a way to be safe in a tornado. Make sure that your facts are about tornado safety, not hurricanes. You can get this information from your notes, from any of the worksheets we've done in class, and on this same page that you're watching the video, there right below the video is a link called Tornado Safety Tips. I would encourage you to flip through those screens and include some of that on your page. You can also draw some pictures or diagrams that would help explain the safety tips. Now, on this page, what we're going to include in this section right here called What's the Difference? This wants you to tell me the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. So again, you've got this information in your notes. You'll write out for me what those two terms mean. And then finally down here, tornado facts, you'll see there's 3 bullet points. This is where you're just going to write 3 facts that are true for all tornadoes. These are not safety tips because you've already done that on the inside, but you're going to just tell me 3 things that are true for all tornadoes. Now finally, let's look at the rubric. So looking at the rubric, here is the point value for each of the sections. So the first section, that's the one called What's the Difference? That's where you're going to tell me the difference between a watch and a warning. You can see that's 10 points. The 5 safety tips on the inside is worth 50 points. That's half of your grade. So make sure those safety points are good. And then the 3 different tornado facts is worth 30 points. And then of course, make it visually appealing. This of course means that it looks good. It's neat, it's easy to read, it's colorful, including diagrams would help. And then ask your teacher for the due date.